First year 2023 Geography Important Guest Paper. Important short questions. Define physical geography, name its branches. Define lake by plateaus, name the types of plateaus. Write the element of solar system. Why is equator hot? Write any two reasons why. What are waves? How are they performed? Write the current of Pacific Ocean. Must follow the textbook and 10-year model paper. अगर आपने अभी तक वीडियो को लाइक नहीं किया जल्दी से लाइक कर दें. Differentiate between cyclone and anticyclone. Differentiate between ocean and sea. Differentiate between planet and Mars. Differentiate between climate and weather. Name only the interior types of the earth. ये सब क्वेश्चंस आपने देख लेने हैं, प्रिपेयर कर लेने हैं.